Hi, my name is John Taylor. I'm Director of Sport at Philip Morant School and Sixth Form College. Welcome to our new fitness room. It's been installed by Higher Fitness. Higher Fitness have been fantastic in the whole process from start to finish. So from making initial contact with them, they replied back to me within 24 hours. And then within 48 hours, we'd organised a site visit. So Higher Fitness came in, we showed them this space, and we spoke about the requirements and the challenges of installing a fitness room that could cater for boys and girls from aged 11 right the way up to 19 on our post-16 sports academy, and they came up with the best fit model. Within another 24 hours, I'd received quotes, all the documentation. They give me various options to cover both cardiovascular machines, resistance machines, free weights, strength and conditioning. They'd sent me images of what the room would look like and a video of what the room would look like as well. So fantastic service, really quick response, and the pricing as well was really competitive. And certainly we deemed Higher Fitness to be the best value out of all the quotations we've seen. So you can see here within we have the ski erg, we have treadmills here which are fantastic, we have the cross trainer facility, we have a range of bikes here and spinning bikes, we have 5 concept rowers there, we've got our medicine balls, kettlebells, free weights, core bags. We have our strength and conditioning work here, benches, squat racks, power racks. So it really is a fantastic facility that will benefit nearly 2,000 students. So following the procurement process, we decided Higher Fitness were the best option for us. We contacted them to say when we would like the installation period over the summer holidays. Again, fantastic with that, very accommodating. We gave them 2 dates that were best fit for us, and they were able to do that, which was fantastic. Came in and installed the whole room over 2 days, no issues whatsoever. And the post-installation customer service has been fantastic, and we'll be working with them to monitor the facility, the equipment, and also servicing and going forward. So overall, delighted with Higher Fitness, done a really fantastic job with the installation of our new fitness room.